In this video, I will show you how to sign up for Google Workspace. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video, shall we? Alright guys, head on over to workspace.google.com, and once you're landed on this page here, what you want to do is click on Start a Trial. And now you'll be brought to a page that looks like this. So let's get started. So give your business a name here. Jot down the number of employees you got and your region, and then click on to next. So it'll look something similar to this, and then click on next. What's your contact info? So give your first name, last name, and current email address here. Once you have done that, click on the next button. And now, does your business have a domain? You'll need a domain like example.com to set up email and a Google Workspace account for your business. So click on yes, I have one that I can use, or you can click no, I need one. So if you got one, click on yes. So put in your domain name here. And once you've done that, click on to next. And then use this domain to set up the account. Click on next. And then how you'll sign in. So create a username, password, and then click on I'm not a robot, and then agree and continue. So I'm going to call this Luke at TutorialWiz, password, and now I'm not a robot. Now I'm going to click on agree and continue. I'm going to save this. And now after you've put in all this information, click on agree and continue. And then you'll need to sign in with your username and password. And then after that, it will ask you to enter in a phone number to receive a verification code. And then once you get that verification code, you want to put that in the box where it says to add in the verification code. And then you'll be prompted to do a choose a plan, and then after that you have a bit more information to fill out about your business, and then you are signed up to Google Workspace.